Okay, what's up, guys? A productivity app called Blitz. It's a fictional project. The goal of this series is just to explore our skills and improve in design and development. The goal is to finish this project by the end of this week, so I'm going to be making more live series to speed this up. Um, right now, we're at the phase where we need to discuss what we've done so far, right? So, I'm just going to share my screen in a bit, and hopefully I'm live already. I'm trying live when I press that button. Yeah. So this is the so on this screen you see the the previous video we made, the previous stream we had. We were discussing out the how am I saying? God I beg my life. In the previous stream we were discussing what scripts we're going to design for the mobile app. And now the only reason I'm making the mobile app is because we want to use it as an asset for the website. So yeah, might not be, it's not like making a full flow new app. It's just for assets, as it look like things like that. And yeah, so the screens for the features. If you're wondering what features are this, if you come over here, you see that on this feature page here, you see like these are crazy streaks, mood based suggestion, mini celebrations, customizable themes and avatars, crazy sprints mode and daily challenge. And these are those restrictions I made as I was designing the first time. But obviously we can always improve it. And yeah, that's that. What else am I saying? Yeah, for the hero section as well, close screens, plus screens. Yes, I've made some couple sketches. Oh sorry, I'm not sharing the screen. So since then I've made some couple sketches. Um so like art task. These are how art task can be like go to the gym. I don't know, gym is not productive, yeah, but honestly I don't know what I was thinking when I was drawing this. This one is for mood based solution. How are you feeling based on your mood? And this is like completing your tasks, confetti with a cool mascot image. Then what's this number four? What's number four? Oh wait, my mic is here. Was he hearing me? Ooh, 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 ooh. I think you're hearing me now. I forgot that was also sees my mic. Yeah, so might as well just wait this. So the camera is. If I move like this, you can't see me anymore. Give me a second. Let me adjust this camera. Give me a second. Yeah, so if I move like this, yeah, you can see me well now. Yeah. Okay, so confetti celebration teams. So number four is teams, and that's done. Pick a team. Pick a screen to customize. Home screen or profile screen. Oh yeah, this was I was drawing this today. It's basically like picking a team. So the feature I wanted to show was like you can customize this app to your liking, pick avatars and so much more. Looking at it now, it's just weird, honestly. Yep, it's pretty weird. Well, I think what we're gonna do is we'll have so for this screen here. Let me just highlight it so you can know what I'm talking about. For this side of the screen here, we're gonna have like maybe multiple avatar face, multiple colors, and we're gonna use this as well. So many screens I'm trying to organize at once. So we're gonna use um this to illustrate it. So if you tap on this, you're gonna see different avatar, different color. Tap on this, you're gonna see different avatar, different color. That kind of idea. And this can be used with JavaScript or frame motion to make it animated nicely, GSAP, things like that. So that's a good idea. And number five is a timer, the sprint mode. Number five sprint mode, yeah. So for the idea for number five, remember this was what we had. So it's like if you know FigJam has an inbuilt timer. Where is that image? Yep, this is it here. So if you use FigJam, you know that FigJam has a timer in it. So this kind of timer we can emulate for ours as well. It has stickers as well. Honestly, what I'm just scared is that I'm not going to design a very nice app, and I want the website to look nice. Because for the website to look nice, every asset must look nice, and that's the challenge most likely. And the last one, number six, is a daily challenge one. So I had the idea for like So I've been going through Medium as well a lot. So I was trying to show you this number six, and the daily challenge, week, month, was it 10-day challenge or something like that. And I've been going through Medium a lot, and I've been looking for inspiration. What I've done so far is if I see any inspiration, I just like put a comment on the daily challenge, So when I'm designing the app, you can like see the real where the inspiration came from as I was sketching it over here. And yeah, I feel like we're gonna spend too much time on this phase. If you give me too much time, I'm gonna spend too much time on it. So instead of spending too much time on it, we're just gonna like up right into it, design the rubbish you can design, and improve from there. Yeah. So based on that, we have the 6 screens. We have the features we want to design. We're just when the main hero is gonna have a. So now let's even talk about this. So you can see this is quite messy. It's not messy in a nice way. What we can do now is we're going to. I have to like create a new Figma account, Figma file, draft, Blitz, design. Oh, you can't move your comments. Shit, you can't move your comments. I'm just gonna move this. Copy this. Think about this. 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 Let's copy that and put it in the Blitz page. Oh wow. It's just the hero section. Oh, I've not combined them or what? Oh, I've not combined them apparently. Oh wow, I didn't combine them actually. Look how surprised I am. Shift A, web, copy, come over here, please. So this is the color palette over here, and this is another color palette over here that we've not decided yet. So that's that. And for here, or for this part, we're going to work on the mobile screens now. Oh my god. My goal for this now is just like spending maybe like an hour, 30 minutes or 2 hours on this. Tomorrow again when I come back from work, do the same thing as well. So, by the way, I got a drink this time around. So, I'm going to be sipping a drink. I've not tried it before yet, but it has pineapple and grapefruit. So, this is my first time trying it. I don't know. I didn't know what to expect, but I don't taste the pineapple that much. Maybe probably the grapefruit is more. I don't know what to expect. I don't know what to expect. Okay, so moving on. Let's start designing the app screens. We're gonna start from the first one. Streak feature. Or just the splash screens. We can start from the splash screens. So splash screens. So this is the splash screens over here. Let's be productivity fun again. Continue. So yeah, I'm just going to like. This is going to be like hardcore design phase. This is going to be on one end of the screen. It's going to take me too much space already. Let's put it on one end of the screen here. So I'm going to focus on Figma now. Oh my god, this is going to be annoying. I'm partly scared because the real work starts. So my fake portfolio, it's not fake, but yeah, I'm just a bit paranoid because iPhone 16 works. So splash screen. So set a grid, layer grid, columns 4, margin 20 or 16, nothing will kill you. Color, I like to use dark for the grid color. So now you start with that. This is starting. Now, if you remember, this is what we're trying to design here. You know what? Let's start making our live art for ourselves. Copy your work. So this is it. Blitz. Why did I even show you? I was supposed to tell you that I was using ChatGPT to generate a logo icon. So, yep, this is the logo we might be using. I don't have to copy it. So you know what? This is what I'm gonna do. So yeah, this is the logo for Blitz with ChatGPT. Like, it's not bad though. I sketched it before, so let me show my sketch. My previous sketch was this. I forget them. So many screens to worry about. So you can see I made some sketches here, but I wish I could just control everything with the same mouse. So this is other sketch, and then I brought it here. I just yeah. So I'm gonna like screenshot this again as well, and work on these plus screens. If you can just finalize the design of this plus screen, it's gonna be easier to design the rest of the pages. I have a feeling because it's all brand elements. We can make it black and white. We can just start adding colors immediately. But let's see first. Yep. So bleeds. I'll prefer to turn this to a. I have two options to turn it to a vector. There's a plugin on Figma called what's it? You just come here. Plugin vector make vectorize. I can't buy the name of the plugin anymore. It don't be my other Figma file. Let me see. Give me a second. Give me one second. I will find it though. Oh god. It's not bad, but it helps me keep quiet as I'm talking too much. I just wanted to, I recently ran the half marathon. I realized that I like sweet things. Just like my body needs calories a lot more. So I just want to eat something, drink something. So in an effort to like satisfy that craving I'm dealing with right now, I had to buy drinks. No, I don't buy drinks. But yeah, it's not that expensive too. So I'm happy it's not that expensive. Like imagine breaking your bank just because you're on the half marathon. That'll be sad. I'm looking for. Okay, I think I found it. What's the name? The name is Quick Tracing. That's the name of the software or the plugin. It's called Quick Tracing. So quick tracing, yeah. So it's gonna like color trace or outline trace. So I'm gonna like outline trace. Okay, that didn't work. Do it again. Quick tracing, color trace. Yeah, so it brings it out now. And this it does only for us. But it's not perfect. You can see it has some flaws. So I'm going to show the other method I would have used instead. Oh my god, that's embarrassing. I'm sorry. So the second method, I'll just like use circles to just match it up. Basically, we're just tracing it. If lack of better words, how we're doing, we're tracing it, and for lack of better words, when I wake up in the morning, I'm singing again. You see my life. Oh god. Okay. It's not gonna be perfect, obviously, but when you collect everything together, you're gonna come over here. You use union, so now you can call this like the cloud logo or something, cloud, and then put that aside. Now you're gonna like just get a pencil. You're gonna make your own version of this. Come over here. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. You know what? Let's go back again. You start here. Make sure it passes through. Come over here again. Make sure it passes through again a bit. Come over here. I'm gonna show you why I'm making it pass through. We can give it more length. Okay, I don't know why I'm doing this, but yep, I'm gonna fix that in a second. Make it pass through. Okay, so I'm gonna connect together. So you're gonna come here. Oh shit, I didn't connect it well. So yeah, so you're gonna come over here. Just I don't know why I did the way I did just now, but so yeah, that's there. Come over to this one as well. Just drag it to the lines connect well, and this one as well. Oh, come on, click and drag. Yeah, exactly. And with that, you use Shift X to. Oh, that's true. I have this software. What's it called? Keyboard. keyboard. I can't remember the name of the app again. So you can be seeing my keyboard strokes as what's the name of that software? Keycaster. Okay. Nothing has happened. It didn't show anything. Okay. Okay. I guess it works now. Yep. You see it. You can see the space bar and it showed. So that's cool. So now what I'm gonna do is you're just gonna like select this and just come over here to the border radius section and just like give it a border radius. Basically that's just the easy way to do that stuff. I mean, when you come over here, do the color from that orange and give this one, so you can always duplicate, so you always have the original file, and then you come over, combine the two again together, and you can do subtract. So now you have multi-layered. So the cloud is steady table, and this one is a steady table. So these are one of the ways of just building like what's the word? Building designs that can be edited easily. So it's not just static and that's the end. Compared to this one, now you cannot do anything. If you want to change it, it's gonna be very hard, you know. Like any small thing, it's spelled. This one is a bit flexible. In Photoshop, you call it like smart object, but it's not smart object here. It's just flexible. So you can call this the Blitz logo. Blitz logo. I don't know if the app I don't know if I want to make this thing orange fully, but I don't mind the color. It's just something I'm just curious about. Like, is it gonna be orange? Plus, the logo looks odd in a nice way. Blitz, and the fonts ChatGPT told me to use Blitz. It's Poppins. I didn't research fonts. I didn't think I should do so, but now I'm regretting it a bit. Blitz, regular, semi-bold. Honestly, it looks like trash right now. Well, I'm hoping that the creative process is going to guide us to make something amazing. And so from there, what else? Blitz. So we have this. Okay, maybe capital letter B. You know what? We can like go the rebel route and be the kind of company that only use small letter. You know. Oh my god. I'm growing on it. It's actually sweet. It's actually quite sweet now. Maybe I'm just thirsty. I'm talking too much. Okay, splash screen. Next screen is what? Let's make productivity fun again. So now, if you notice, I'm not using any typography skill or anything because I didn't think about that. I forgot. So I'm going to show you how I do typography skill. Let's make productivity fun again. Most times, after you've designed for a while, you just realize that, oh, this is the basic typography you're going to be using for most of the things you're doing. But for mobile design, is not always the case, you know. Should we use exclamation mark? I'm not sure. So where's my nearest? I'm looking for something. I don't know. Should I check here? Drafts, projects, drafts. You know what? Just community profile. What am I looking for? 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 God help me. I just lost my brain just now. What were you thinking about just now? If I go here, it goes away. Why does the typography skill? Yeah. What was I looking for? Them? You know what? You can just come over here. Apple human interface guideline. Just make it easier for yourself. It's only for iOS. Yeah. And let's go to the Figma file for these people. I just remember it now again. Oh my god. excuse me, color typography, color branding, dark mode, immersive typography. Yep. And you see it's so default size is 17 for the iOS and iPad. macOS is 13. Wow, macOS is even smaller. 17. So 17 minimum is 11 points. That's 11 pixels. So and there's something you find here. Yeah, exactly. This is the point. So the largest title. So if you're going for the iPad, large defaults. So the last title is 34, caption is 11. So basically, this is the sizing we can use. So when I was starting out, so this is what I normally check, converse check. And I'm saying as if I've been in the game for a long time. As at like 2 years ago, this is my reference. If it also, I made a post on Twitter the other time, like channels I recommend to watch. There's this guy, Design Pilot. He has old videos about this stuff, where he breaks down UI and just explains it. So the last title is 36, right? We're using 40, so let's go at 36. Cool. Didn't change anything. Nice. I'm going to use this as well. Let's make it different again. What is design? We're trying to do something like this. So this is where I'm going to show you how to use AI to make cool stuff. So my question is, what kind of stickers are we looking for? I'm trying to think. I like these stickers, but they are so colorful. And I know Airbnb did this recent 3D design stuff, and it's really trending on the internet right now. I don't mind it, but it's not my vibe at the moment. I really want something that's iconic like this, but I don't know how to. I don't even know what to ask. Let's go to ChatGPT. I'm coming with my ChatGPT over here. ChatGPT. ChatGPT. That's if ChatGPT was an Indian song. It's not like the dances. So, oh my god. So I'm gonna bring this over here. So we're gonna. What has happened? Oh my god, what has happened? Yeah, okay. Yeah, can you see that now? Let me confirm. Yeah, you can see that. So yeah, so I'm going to like this. We're going to be ChatGPT a lot. I'm going to ask it like, so I want to generate some. I don't like how big this is. Annoying. Keycaster app. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I want to generate some brand elements. I don't like how big it is. Oh, we can move it exactly. I want to move it somewhere here. I need some brand elements for the stickers will be incorporating. I can't speak incorporating well. Incorporating in the mobile app and websites for Blitz. Based on all you know so far, what elements and icons and what's the word? What elements, icons would be great stickers for the Blitz app? For the Blitz app. For the brand vibe. Okay. Give me 10. Give me 7 to 10. I don't know why I use 7 to 10, but yeah. Flame. Smiley balls. Brain floating with sunglasses. Rocket with paint trails. You know what? I'm having some crazy ideas now. Trophy with stars. Travel we do those. Color sorts of paints palette. Zen checkmark cloud. Flat texture with light gradient and shadows. Yes. Yes, please. Generate a sample of smiley like flame stick tracker of the third element. Flame streak track. I have a crazy idea. Based on the step direction you are suggesting. Please, let's be nice. Let's be nice. Let's be nice. Please, let's be nice. Please, let's be nice. Let's be nice. And we're done. Was it worth it? I'm 100% sure. Well, it was nice. I bought like a pack of it, like 6. Wow. I don't think it's healthy though. I don't drink drinks like this normally. Okay, okay. I just realized that the sound was off. I just saw the comments now on Twitter. Like, oh my god. Thanks for commenting that. For 43 minutes ago, it has been off. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's depressing. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That's terrible. Okay, so let's continue. Yeah, I need to be careful with this code. I feel like it's shaking with this app or software because normally it doesn't go like this when I'm recording into videos. So what next? Magic wand or sparkle swipe. Okay, yeah, this is the next one. So we're just going to generate all the images we need. So now to go back here and okay, I did one more. I'll just type in one more prompt now. Wait a second. Okay. Wow, it just changed. You know, previously the color of the background was this. Okay, everything just changed to this consistently. So I don't know what's going on with this thing. So it's gonna be. This be nice. I want something nice. I really want something nice. What's in my head, and I hope it can bring it out without me having to ask it. The idea in my head is like each of the calendar boxes is gonna have like a check mark or a star or a light bulb or deadline stuff. Mm. Let's go, let's go, let's go. My audio still working. I think after changing audio often, it's still working. Yeah, the audio is still working. I man, I'm so for 43 minutes audio was not working. That's depressing. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. This is the downside of streaming, I guess. Even recording YouTube videos too. I mean, I recorded a YouTube video like last year or 2 years ago, I'm not sure, for like a whole 20 something minutes, and the audio was not working. Luckily for me, I was recording audio on my phone, which the quality is not as good as the mic, but at least it saved my life. It's not bad. This is not bad at all. Okay, so that's that. So let's move on to the rest of the screens. So where's this? How you design streak? Um, streak. Looking at this app here. So let me show you the examples of streaks so far that we have. This is one from Atoms app. One, and that one that does streak well is Duolingo. Duolingo does streak as well. Even though I don't know what I'm doing with my life, the things I do is just for you. Welcome. So in the visualizer for the streak, you know what I mean on the beat. Sometimes. So what are we gonna do? Even though it seems every time it might, I wish it was so. I wish it was so. What am I doing? Let's see, what's the creative way I can implement all these ideas here? What's in my head right now? Something like this. You know what I mean on the red star. Even though it's in the register. No, the big guy. No, you know. Things that you do, things that you do. Everybody wants to be a monster. Even though you're sure it's not ethical at all. It's not ethical at all. Even though never give up, no, never give up, no. Oh, it's not. Oh my god, no. Oh, it's not. I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna bring it over here. Show it over there. Take them on the scale. I don't know what you bent. I don't want to. Sometimes you know what I do when they want to start. Even though it looks I got just don't stop me now. Don't stop me now. You know, the movement, to the moon, I never teaching. And the road, and I know if you think about the road, I don't know. Is this aligned well? Is this aligned well? I don't know. It looks weird. I think the first one was better. There you go. I just wanted something on the road. Even though you know that it's so. Streaks. I want something cool that has not been seen before. And I don't even know what I'm trying to make right now, but I know it's gonna be cool though. Because I'm a cool guy. The problem with my approach now is that if you move this thing, yeah, it's going to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw this thing all the way back. Yeah, so it's gonna be easier to like move like this. So that's one. We can also reduce the sizing of this as well. So go to V, and it's 74 pixels. If you want it to be thinner or fatter, so thinner is like 94%, 72, 64, 84, 82, 80. This is not bad. So that's that. Now what else? What can we steal from here? I guess we can steal this stuff. It's quite common. You know the drills, you know, see now, come on. I also think you need to have some things in the road though. You got the things in the road though. You got the things in the road though. Is it obvious that it's this? I don't know why I'm designing this. I'm just making it up as I go because it's not actually a mobile app, you know. That's the hard part about this conceptual stuff. Everything has to be real and make sense sometimes. Or not. Depends on the kind of person you are. So I will change it later on. But for now, let's just move on to the. Excuse me. 20. I was thinking about the baby boy back when I was at home. It's when we leave him. When we leave our child with me and my sister. And babysit the boy. Not sure where he is now. Wednesday. I was thinking about him. Very, very cute boy. He doesn't like me. But I like my sister. Even though she has beaten before. I don't get it, like, what's with kids, man? What's with kids? I don't beat him though. But I think he likes me. The time he lets him sit down with me for like 6 hours watching Korean movie. You know? That's the when you have time on your hands. Just watch Korean movies. If I remember correctly, the movie I watched that day was like Vagabond. If you don't watch Vagabond and you want to get into Korean movies and you like thriller, I recommend it. It's a crazy movie. Very twisting. You almost run mad, but like, what? So that was happening? Oh my god, that's crazy. You think my character dies, but no, it's not dead. He just escaped through plot armor. Plot armor always work for the area. Don't come trying me cause of the hysteria. Hysteria. Malaria, I tell you. Don't stop for me, cause the areas will come and go. Even though you know the thing I wanna show and go. And the areas are fine. Hope you can still hear me. Yeah, you can still hear me, cool. And the ones that I got on the radio. What am I doing again, Absalom? Absalom, what are you doing? What's in the... Okay. Sometimes you gotta believe in yourself. 25, 24. I want to be 24. You gotta believe in yourself. But the stars will align when the time comes. And you know that the time will come soon. I'm think myself around. Sing very small letter O and capital letter O. Or small letter M and capital letter M. What's this? This is stone in my room. I did get here. I don't know, bro. That's a story for another day. So I'm gonna delete all this again. I can't bother to type everything out again if I'm just gonna like duplicate this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I have an extra day. We're gonna call Absalom Day. The day Absalom decided to start designing live. Scary stuff. So I'm telling you something now, something now. The trees will laugh at you, but that's okay, because you don't laugh at you anymore. Thursday should be capital TH. When the boys will come and go, I need iconify. I should have used huge icons. I like using huge icons most times, but this is totally free. Huge icons is not totally free. Check. I said check as you can go and check it. I mean check as in I'm looking for a check mark. Oh my god, something like this, but I want the mouse, I want the It feels like a dream that I don't know. It feels like a reality that I can't see. All these boys come and all the boys go. All the things I say I can't take by you. I'm sorry, I see what you said. I don't know what got me, I know what you meant. Yo, don't tell me that. Shifts. A. Da 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 da. So, are you like that? Are you like that? Da 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 da. Ba da dee do do. Are you like that? I like this design. Are you like that? Da 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 da. Yo, look at me and look at you. Tell me things I wanna do. You know what I wanna say. Some boys scared of the party started. Yo, I wanna tell you all the songs I've been singing for you. Don't tell me things I know what you want. I'm begging for you. So when I wake up in the sky, and the feeling is bright, and the moment is here for me to come and fly away. Huh, this looks weird. But it's not bad, but it looks weird. Like, what's this guy trying to do? I don't even know. If you ask me what I'm trying to do, I don't know. I think if you make it smaller, yeah, like 64 or 56. There's something about the areas of the way I wanna go. What do you think? 4 out of 7. Pa 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 pa. 1. So that's it. I don't know. I like the style. I mean, okay. Continue. Yo, almost 12. Work with your mood. You know what? I'm just gonna skip to this one. Ready to blitz your day. I need that rocket. Ready to blitz your day with joyful productivity. I don't know, it feels so long. Everything is 3 lines. I wish something was inside here, but so I'm just typing in prompt based on styling, using the sticker, styling sofa for for a smiley. Smiley. So schema. I wanna design for the future. Probably should not be taking any sweet things by this time of the night. Why is it not working? Something is off. It's supposed to be generating something now. Hopefully that works. Oh yeah, I have gummies. If I start taking this, it's going to be noisy in the camera microphone. I'm sorry. Okay, that's one. It's still working. It's okay. So I'm just taking gummies. They gave me after the race. It's made with energy, fats, saturated carbohydrates, sugar, fiber, protein, salt. Okay? I don't understand the difference between the two of them. This is more bold color. Sorry. So I won't be pressing this thing too much. This is what I'll take till we go off live. I'll go and sleep. So I'm gonna make this. So we're gonna use Photopea, Photopea in the object selection. This is so cool. They didn't say the white part. That's crazy. They said the white part. So I'm going to have to come over here. I'm going to go to effects, stroke. I'm going to increase the strokes like 32 or 24. Give it color white. Press OK and press Ctrl S to save and close it. Entire stroke now. Now I'm just gonna, where are we going to? I'm taking it to this. Reduce the sizing. Press Shift or you press K. Shift and Command to reduce sizing like this, or press K to reduce by that. If you just reduce it, it's gonna be, oh, it works. Oh, that's true. If you might any updates for this thing, if you remove this thing, it's gonna be terrible. But if you leave it back on, it's gonna scale well. So I just remember that I made an update, I've forgotten. So you're good to go. Whatever you do, you will save. Yeah. Sometimes you wonder what is wrong with me, and it feels like the stories you've had in the past are just stories. Just stories. Want to see? Wow. Right, not bad. It's not bad. That kind of snacks you want to be eating when you don't want to eat food, but it makes you hungry somehow because it's making me hungry, sha. I don't know why. So that's what. Let's go. Let's go. Spacing is like 24 or 16. Let's go. So let's go. Hell yeah. Skip. I think this button is too big. It should be 16 pixel button. I don't want missing 24. There's been a while design button for mobile phone, but I feel this is too big. I'm not exactly sure, but I'll confirm later on. And we want people to click on this, not this. We're going to change this onto a secondary styled button. Skip like this, or you could just even take the stroke away and give the remaining one black. So skip area, or you know what you can do again is to give that one black. So skip area, skip. So it's bringing less attention to it. One thing I've noticed somewhere else again as well is that you can make this one hug. Excuse me. Make it small and make this one the big one. You know. So this is watching people to click. And if you don't want to click it, you click this. So it's one of those things. And I don't know, this is not how I imagine this app will go in my head, but so far so good. It's coming out together nicely. I'm not even sure if this is what I wanted, but I didn't know what I wanted too. But what I had in my head was something extravagant, but apparently something is coming together slowly. So splash screen done. So I'm gonna move splash screen to Blitz please now. I'm sorry, we've done splash screen. That's a good win if you ask me. So oh yeah, that's true. So okay. It's not in my face. Oh, sorry, unlock it. Remember what was I doing again? 15 minutes. So yeah, cool. So far so good. We've done the splash screen, so it is green. Let's tick it. And this is the splash screen we've done so far. And we've done this as well. What we're gonna have to work on next is this style screen. I think I might have to like fuck. I don't know. I don't think we don't need to design every single thing here. We just need to get the style right. And I feel like by God's grace, tomorrow morning, if I wake up early tomorrow morning, I'll pick this up on time and try to do it. If not, see when I come out from work tomorrow. And what else? Are there any questions on Twitter? Let me see. Yep, no questions on Twitter. Cool. Almost 200 views right now. That's crazy. Hope you guys are liking it so far. Please just let me know. Send me DMs. Send me WhatsApp message if you have me on WhatsApp. I don't check my WhatsApp often, but if you have me on WhatsApp, send me a message. Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, wherever you're watching this from. It's mostly on Twitter and YouTube, by the way. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you are watching on YouTube, it's going to be looking very confusing because I didn't really design the thumbnail or the title or anything. But after this thing is done, then we can go back and revisit that. For now, this is just in an effort to make sure that I document the process as much as possible. Because what I realize is that let me make it my whole face. So this is just the end. I'm not moving. I'm not doing anything again. So what I realized is that it's quite hard to be truthfully documenting the whole process when you are making a tutorial, because you're like you're designing the constraint that okay, if this happens, you know. Right now you're learning exactly with me, because if I make mistakes now, you're seeing how I make mistakes, how I recover from the mistakes, compared to creating tutorial where there's no edge cases and so much more. So that's one of my motivations for making this, and I hope it's helpful to anybody as a beginner or advanced or wherever you are in your journey. Yeah. So I'll see you tomorrow morning, or you can watch the recording. Either one works. Tomorrow morning, by God's grace, I'll try to wake up early, pray, and get some reps in for the design. So thanks for watching again. I really appreciate you. And we did it 1 hour 49 minutes. Not bad.